Hello everyone watching this video, and first thank you for checking on my channel. I've actually decided to make this video as my own little way um, to help young people in the area of shaping their career. First, choosing a career for themselves, and also shaping such careers. And most of the careers I will be discussing after this video and subsequent video, they are not in my opinion, they are not careers that are well known to so many people, because I've had a couple of friends, when I tell them this is what I do and this is what other people do, and they tend to ask me, what does that mean? So I just felt okay, I should give more education in this area to people who may want to choose careers in these parts. And trust me, they are very honorable and prestigious career paths. And I will be dedicating this to young Nigerians. That does not mean those who are not Nigerians will not benefit, but because the issues surrounding our social and economical environment in Nigeria, and what I will be discussing will be addressing these issues as well. So that is why I said to Nigerian and to every other person out there who may learn one or two things from whatever I have to say. You know, presently in the presently in the job market, there is this the rate of those who graduate and those who get employed, the rate is so high. There is this gap. So you have a lot of graduates out there but no job. And also in the those who graduated from secondary school, from high school, who could not also get admission into the university, that is also another problem. The rate of these people also is still also very high. And now, with those who graduated from university not getting a job, and those who graduated from high school and could not get into the university and resulted into working, then you have this crowded labor market. Trust me, the labor market is so crowded. But in the midst of this crowded labor market, you can actually build a career for yourself. You can actually harness some careers that are not well known in Nigeria, known by Nigerians or the young Nigerians, except those who, in one way or the other, are related to people who work in these career paths or people who have this information. And it's just like having some people, for example, who graduated from university as engineers, but they find themselves working at the bank. And beautiful enough, some of these people have actually accepted this bank job and go extra length to get professional certificates to be relevant to the banking industry which they are. And that is very good. Some of them go to take courses and do professional courses like ICANN and Chartered Institute of Bankers and insurance and taxation and all of these things, so that they can be relevant in the industry which they are. And this is very good. While we also have some people who did not choose to do anything. And I think these people will be disadvantaged when it comes to appraisals and promotions and all of these things. And the Nigerian factor. When your background is saying something else and what you're doing is saying something else. Most employers do not really believe in your performance. Some of them do, but first they start from what have you studied. Do you understand? So if you find yourself in this category and you make good use of it by going out of your discipline, to say as per what you study in the university, and now doing more professional courses to align with whatever you're doing presently, it is very, very good. So this is where my discussion is going to, the direction my discussion is going to go. So then there are some other people who has finished from secondary school. Probably they did not get admission into the university, or they are doing part-time university subject, university program, and some who because of money, they couldn't afford the part-time and they're just working, and they don't even know what the future holds for them. They don't actually know what is the next step, or how they're going to achieve the aim, whatever aim they have set for themselves previously before now. I want to tell you out there that there are careers that are really, really, really honorable, and they are really, really paying well also, and they are really, really prestigious. And one of these careers is document control. Yes, document control. Some people who are listening will know this, and I know majority of people young people in Nigeria will not know this. When I mean young people, those who just finished university, secondary school, or those who just finished university, they may not know this. So, document control is basically like secretariat activities in the office, but a little bit beyond that, where you have to manage informations and records and documents of companies, especially engineering companies, construction companies, oil and gas companies, and all of these things. And while you are doing this, you get more exposure, and you get good pay also. Yes, you get good pay because you have to get paid for whatever you do, and you get a very cool career path without stress. So if you're out there and you had this dream of working in a very good office and all of these things, but the situations you are faced with does not really correlate with whatever dream you're having, don't worry. What you just need to do is go and get training, which are not so expensive compared to how many years and how much you spend in university and all the stress you need to get into the university and all that. Get these trainings and try to sort for job with this title, document control. And trust me, when you finally succeed in getting this job, you'll be amazed at how much you will grow in the corporate industry. So that is just what I want to say. I want to tell young people out there, document control is a career. Fine, you may not study it in school, just like most people did not study whatever they are practicing in their workplace today. So that is why you see it is so easy. Just whether you're a school cert holder, whether you're a fresh graduate and you don't know what to do, you search for a job for so long and you're not getting anything, you can do these document control trainings. I'm not conducting any training, and I'm not affiliated to any training center. I'm just giving you information that you can go for document control and you can do this training. And even in the process of doing your training, you can mingle with other people who are also training, because there are some people who are practicing it and they were not yet trained. So maybe they are now doing the training. You can be among these people and network with them and tell them your passion for this thing or what you want to do concerning this document control stuff, and they can help you. So I'm just trying to tell young people out there, document control is a very good career path, and is easy to what will I say? It's easy to get into when you are in the midst of the right people, and you just need training and opportunity from whichever company, engineering company, oil and gas company. So if you had a dream of working with oil and gas industry, this is a very good way to join. You understand? So I'm just here to tell young people out there that there is a profession called document control. It's just like every other profession, but you don't need to study it in school. You just need basic office to know basic office tools, and from there you can just get started. And there are other careers also you can get. And I tell you this, the benefits of this document control is the way of getting into the oil and gas industry very, I won't say very easily, but compared to those who study engineering and everything, I think it's another very cool way to get into the oil and gas industry. I will be telling you about other profession that you can also use to get into oil and gas industry without stress. Yes, without stress. But that would be subsequent video. And I hope whoever is watching or listening out there, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you've gained one or two things from it. Expect more video from this channel, and please support by clicking subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, it will really mean a lot to me and to every other person who know you will be reaching out to through these videos that we'll be uploading from time to time. Whatever topic comes, we will discuss. You can just put your comment, you can ask questions, especially on document control. I don't just want to discuss blah 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 or discuss so many things, like model so many things together. So I want you to drop your comment, and I want you to drop your concern or anything. Then next video we'll address them. Then we'll also talk about like 2 or 3 other professions that you can really get, not easily, but in a very cool way, and you can get into the oil and gas industry. Trust me. So see you some other time, and from me, ciao ciao, bye.